Normally, what happens is the first 3 tasks, that is the group discussion, group planning exercise, and the progressive group task. Like today, we have 4 groups. They'll be doing in 4 different locations. And in the 4th task, that is the group obstacle race, all the 4 groups come together and they race against each other. And what is the purpose of any race?
To win.
What is the purpose of any race?
To win the race.
What is the purpose?
To win the race.
Now in this task, there will be 4 lanes. And each lane has got 4 obstacles. 6 obstacles. That means each lane will have 6 obstacles. Each group is going to be allotted 1 channel. You'll have to continue in your particular channel without shifting channels. Like we have in the athletics or in the swimming pool or in the road itself. You can't suddenly shift channels. Over here, this group will follow the right channel. This group will follow the left channel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the rules to be observed. Firstly, the group rule. Means until the entire group has completed the obstacle, only then can you move to the next obstacle. Second, the color rule of this. Red, white and blue. There is no helping material. Rule of rigidity is not applicable. The distance rule or the 4 feet rule is not applicable in this task. That means this is relaxed. You can jump more than 4 feet, but whenever you jump, land on your feet. Very important. Most important is help each other. So while doing this task, you got to carry a load. The load looks like a snake. Hence this task is also called the snake race. There are certain special rules which apply to the snake. Firstly, once the snake is picked up at the start line, it cannot touch the ground till you reach the finish line. At the start line, everyone will be holding the snake. And when you are negotiating any particular obstacle, minimum 4 will be holding the snake. Because the strength is a little more. Doesn't matter if it is 11 or 10. Minimum 4 will be holding the snake. And the snake should follow the same path or same route that you have taken. If you have gone up some structure, the snake should go up, forward and come down the same. Once you finish the obstacle, everyone hold the snake horizontal to the ground, parallel to the ground, then move to the next obstacle. Don't be in a hurry, be slow. Okay, again, I don't want anyone to get hurt. Today all the rules, the penalty is going to be applicable. Penalty is either time penalty or repetition penalty. In case of violation has occurred, I will specify how many of you to repeat. Either repeat with the snake or without the snake, I will specify. Because time penalty, I will give you 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds penalty. Please remember, you have to help each other, motivate each other, and observe the rules. To motivate each other, you do it with a walk cry or a battle cry. Yes?
Yes, sir.
No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So I'll give each group 10 seconds to decide on a battle cry. Then you can pick up your snake. Then, okay, wait. So 6 obstacles I will explain to you right now. You've done it. First obstacle is the single ramp. How to do this, you're aware. So while you're climbing up this, be careful when you jump. While doing this, minimum 4 will be holding the snake. Second obstacle, there are 2 walls connected by a pipe. Pipe is painted red and white, so don't touch the red color. When you go to the second wall, don't jump down from top, sit down, lower your legs and then come down. Again, help each other to climb up and help each other to come down. The third obstacle is the figure of 8. There are 3 channels there. Leave the center channel empty. Like I said, right channel, left channel. The fourth obstacle is the spider web. Climb up, go on top and come down. And the web is slightly big. So simultaneously at least 2-3 can climb up. That is left to you. You want one behind the other. The fifth obstacle is the double ramp. There are 2 ladders, both the sides, and a wooden platform. Climb up the first ladder, walk on the platform, then come down. Not wooden, platform. All of them are made of metal. The last obstacle is the wall. Before we start off, decide on a battle cry, and I want to know, decide on your battle cry. Pick up your place. Don't touch the red one. Don't touch the red one. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Yes, yes, keep it down. Lower your wings and then come down. Easy, easy. Come on, come on, come on.
वहाँ पे पकड़ के रखियो।
चलो चलो फास्ट
अंदर से जाओ।
And bend your body close to the pipe. Bend your body close to the pipe.
चल 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 चल
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Go in. She is not doing it correctly.
come back
Bend your body close to the pipe.
Four of us can hold that.
Wait, wait, wait. Be little closer. In case she falls, somebody has to help. Be little close. Two of you be there close. Four of you hold the snake so that you can help each other.
Come on. Faster, faster. Faster. Come. दीपक जल्दी आ जाओ। दीपक मस्ती फास्ट hold the rope everyone
Everyone has to hold
Hurry up. One hold from this side, one hold from that side. Yes. Now you hold from that side.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on. Come fast. Yes. Chalo, come.
Okay, this group, any three can go from the side. Go.
Go from that. You also go from that side.
Come on.
Jai Fast, run. Just pass that to them.
ये तुम लोग है
Come on. Wait there. No, you go down. Yes, you stay there. Can you move? Jali. Chalo. Come on, Pushpinder. Chad.